Welcome to cooking cheap, easy, and tasty meals. I'm going to make some banana muffins for 2 of my grandchildren. I'm going to start out with half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, between an 1/8 and a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and between an 1/8 and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just a little more than an 1/8, but less than a 1/4. Then I'm going to mix those together because I'm going to make a small batch, just enough to make 6 muffins. I find that if I make a small batch, I don't end up eating all the extras. Okay, that's our dry ingredients. We're going to start our wet ingredients with 1 ripe banana. It's pretty ripe. It could be more, but it's pretty ripe. I want to mash it up real well. I'm using a fork. You could use a potato masher, whatever you want to use, but you want to get it mixed up pretty well. Try not to leave any great big chunks. You want it to be fairly smooth. Looks pretty good. All right. To that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to mix that up a little bit, get that started. We'll get a whisk to do the rest. We'll get that mixed up. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 large egg. And then we're going to whisk this all up. And then we're going to add this to our dry ingredients. But let's get it mixed up really well. Take our wet ingredients and add them to our dry ingredients. Whisk it up. Mix it up real well, get all the flour incorporated. We get a nice wet batter. Take that, put it back over here, and get my spatula. Make sure I've got it all done well on the bottom. Now I'm ready to put it in the cupcake liners. Okay, now I'm going to fill the cupcake layers about 2/3 of the way full. I'll start at half and see how far I get. Now, I'm going to scrape what I can out of here and add it to these. Try and get them all about even. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 8 minutes at 425, and then I'm going to reduce the heat down to 350, and we're going to cook them until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, the muffins were ready at about 7 minutes. That was 8 minutes at 425 and 7 minutes at 350, but you'll have to check your own oven to see how that works. That's probably a pretty good guide. I'm going to let them cool, and then we'll try them. The toothpick test worked. I stuck a toothpick in, came out clean. And there we have it, a small batch of banana muffins, and they look pretty good. I'm going to taste one now. They are delicious, just like I expected. Hope you enjoy them. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.